I'm Chip, and if you've done everything that the YouTube videos have told you to do, you may have even changed your timer, but it's still not heating. Try this one last thing. It might work for you.
What's going on, buddy? What's going on? You get you some breakfast this morning? Let me get to work here. We're getting power to the element, but it's not going through the motor, so it's going to be the motor switch. Not every job is just as easy as you think it is. I want to reach in here, remove that belt. I don't like those. I'm going to get a tow over. It's got money in it. Here's another quarter. So, what we really need to test is those two leads on the back side when this motor's running. See if that motor switch is working. So what I'm doing, if that motor switch is good, it's going to have current going through these two red wires, which are here and here. I'm not getting any current. Know that motor switch is bad. So how this works is when the motor comes on, this little centrifugal switch throws in here and allows current to pass through these two big wires which go to the element. So this motor switch isn't working. So we need to clean that motor up and change the switch. but I have some switches right here. Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, that's the one I need. Two I need to take off. Except for that one. And this is not a very common repair. Motor switches are rare to go out, but they do. Oh, that's not right. Back. And this one here. And this one goes here. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now let's blow all that out. We can test this for continuity. Sometimes it's hard to hold the leads when you're trying to do something. I think I can get it right there. Come on. See? Good deal. I'll split this over to its slot. Alright. Alright, I'm going to reach in here and reattach this belt. You won't be able to see what I'm doing. There we go. when you finish fixing these, you want to make sure your timer's working. So I started it on 60 and it looks like it's already moved it a little bit.